everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikita and on this channel we talk about love, relationships, life, spirituality, self-development and so much more. The last few weeks social media suddenly seems to be very aware about mental health, mental illnesses and stress and frustration that are part of our general life these days. People have been posting stories about how they are available if someone is in need, which is a very kind gesture. But the sad truth is that not many of us are equipped with the knowledge of how to deal with someone or help someone who is going through a difficult situation or any mental illness of any kind. And you won't be able to help anyone if you don't know how to. For example, you may even speak to this person once, twice, thrice, for a week, for a month, but then you will get frustrated because this person is going to repeatedly talk about all the negative things that are going on in his life, and this is in turn going to remind you of all the negativity that you are surrounded with in your life but are trying to break out. So in today's video, we are going to be exploring the right ways of being able to help someone who is going through a difficult time without getting affected yourself. Be empathetic. It is all about understanding what this person is going through. They need to feel understood. Sometimes the person just needs someone to acknowledge that they are in fact going through a very tough time. Don't judge. Everyone has a different response to problems. And maybe someone is sharing with you about some situation that they find really difficult, but you might see it as a very easy situation. But this is not the time to downsize their problem or make them feel like they are overreacting. As I said in my previous video, you need to go through pain to grow out of it. You just need to be there for this person while he reaches a point where he has already grown out of this place. Just listen. Listening to someone can give you a lot of insight about the mental state that they are in and also about the situation that they are currently facing. And the biggest insight is the fact that whether the person is looking for advice or he or she just needs someone to hear them out. It is very important that when someone is frustrated, they should vent their anger and their emotions out somewhere. When I say vent, I do not mean in a negative way, but maybe just sharing their emotions with someone does cause a lot of ease to the person emotionally. Advising someone when they are not in the mind space to take anyone's advice is only going to pressure them. So please do not do that. If they want to talk to you just to vent, just be there and listen to this person. Stop trying to show them the positive side to the situation. This again leads you to downsize the situation that this person currently is in. The person might not be in the mind space to look at the situation in a positive way. And that's okay. Everyone can grow through their negative situation at their own pace. Know when to direct this person to get professional help. There is only so much that you can do to support someone when they are going through a mental illness or a tough situation. You can offer your support, but you can never replace professional help. If you suspect this person is undergoing any mental illness, then it's time to redirect this person to professional help, like a psychiatrist or a psychologist. But at the same time, do not forget to be in touch. Keep checking in. Make sure they know that even though you've directed them to a professional help or a professional expert, you are still there with them through this difficult time and tough situation. Do not just assume that they are going to be fine just because they are seeing someone professional. So guys, these were just a few pointers of how I thought you could be of help to someone who is going through a tough situation or any mental illness. Life is full of highs and lows. Sometimes just one call at the right moment or a genuine "how are you" matters a lot. It's all about making this person feel loved and understood. They need to know that they are valued and people will care if something wrong is happening with them. We are facing a very depressing time all over the world. There are far many people who are very depressed and going through some or the other trouble, and very few of us who are strong emotionally and mentally to support these people. But if we are able to equip ourselves with the knowledge of how to be there for someone when they are in need, then not only will we be able to be there for someone when they are going through a tough time, but also we will have someone for us when we are going through a tough time, because we are stronger together. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the notification bell so that you get an update every single time I upload a video. And do subscribe to my channel for more such positive content of how we can grow into a loving and caring community together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.